Please like, share and subscribe my channel. What the topics I'll be covering in this series is how we are pushing the code from local repository to GitHub, how we are merging the code if there are merge conflict into the repository, how we can cherry pick the code that we have already written but now it was in some other commits. That means how we can transfer that code from other commits to the current commit. Started from here, I wanted to show you that how we can log in using OTP on the email. So first of all, I am giving my user ID here. Let's give the user ID. Giving the user ID and password, it will generate an OTP to our the mail ID. Then we have to provide that OTP again here, and I could be verified. So it's a two-factor authentication like things that once we are giving the password, then we are getting validated by using email ID OTP. So these are the two ways to validate the users from the GitHub. If we wanted to use that, we can use it. Let's see here that I'm passing password here. So after passing password, it will generate an OTP to my mail ID, and then that OTP we wanted to get from the mail, then we need to git here, we need to give here again to the GitHub page. Then we will be able to validate ourselves. Thereafter we can take our repository, we can take to the repository, we can clone our repositories or whatever we wanted to do, we can do that. So let's see here that how we can do that things. So just as you can see in the screen, that passing password. So after passing this password, we need to sign in. Then after sign in button, after clicking on the sign button, it will generate one OTP to the mail ID. You can see here the OTP has been sent to the email, and it's a device verification like things, that it is verifying our device like two-factor authentication, that once we will be able to verify our device, then from second time it won't ask anything from us, and it will be either it will ask only the password or whatsoever. If we wanted to if we are having the RSA token or whatsoever to push the code, we can do that. So by that way we can use GitHub. That there are multiple ways. In many organizations, they are, instead of validating OTP through the email, they are validating the OTP through your contact numbers or the mobile numbers. So they will send OTP to your registered mobile numbers. You will get that OTP, then put here again, and then you will be able to validate yourself, and you will be able to retrieve the repositories related to your projects. So you can see here that in my case it's my personal repo, so I can get my repository listed in the left side because I have validated my OTP taken from the email. In the same way, organizations are validating users getting OTP to their contact numbers. That's it for today. In the next session, I will show you that how we can push our code using RSA token, how we can generate the RSA token. Right? So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.